For this procedure, we will be demonstrating a heat weld method for RV roof repair. Determine the size of the area to be repaired, then cut an oval or circular piece of patch membrane. Make sure the patch membrane is at least 3 inches longer than the affected area to ensure complete coverage for the repair. Lay the patch over the affected area and center it, then trace an outline around the patch. Make an alignment mark. Thoroughly clean the troubled area of the roof with a household cleaner, removing any oxidation buildup. Hold the patched material in one hand while heating the area that is to be repaired. As the material is being heated, apply the patch material in a reverse peeling motion. After the patch is bonded to the roof membrane, apply moderate heat and roll repaired area with hand roller. Apply a generous bead of self-leveling lap sealant around the perimeter of the patch. This completes the RV roof repair using the heat weld method.